Okay guys, so it is the first Friday of the month even. So if you're a trader, you know what that means, NFP time. So we've loaded up £155 in the account. As you see, live account, there's no point faking it. And going to screen record so you guys can actually see, in 5 minutes, the NFP. Hopefully we make some profit. I was just actually outside in the garden getting a bit of sunbathing in. But now, looked at the time, it's almost NFP time. So we're back in the setup, ready to make some profit on the charts. We did an NFP video before, did very, very well on the channel. So, it'll be interesting to see what happens now. If we actually clear the areas I actually have marked, you guys can see that we've got area here, area here. These are two areas where, we could see gold sort of react at. We've also got this area. But this area here is where we've currently been holding, so I don't think that one will actually hold at all. A lot of the times what you actually see is the sort of fake out move and then the actual NFP move. So what we're going to do is we're going to get up on the fourth monitor, the NFP news, so when that drops we can see it instantly. If we get it up now, we look, the consensus is 391k, the previous was 431k. So, we can see dollar has actually had a lot of news this week, so I'm expecting a kind of a decent sized move on the NFP. So we've got around 4 minutes now, so at the time I will screen record my phone and hopefully we can make some profit. Just under 2 minutes to go now on the Rolex, checking the time. Write it off as a business expense because we're checking the time for NFP. Imagine if that was the case. But before I actually do this trading, I'm just going to say, do not trade like this because very, very risky, and there is a very, very high chance you actually lose your account. So be sure to risk manage, trade properly, and this isn't financial advice. So let's just get that out there first before we actually blow the account on the NFP. So lot size wise, what we're going to do, 0.25 I'd say, and then if we're in profit we can obviously start risking more. But because it does move a crazy amount very, very quickly, this is why we're not going in with like one lot or a 0.50. So not long now till the NFP. Phone is on do not disturb so we don't get any people interrupting the NFP. Less than 1 minute now. We're going to start the screen recording. So guys, we are actually ready now for the NFP. The phone's recording, so hopefully we can make some profit. We are looking at these levels, remember, to actually trade from. So let's see what happens. Going to trade the fake out, so obviously the fake out's going to happen and then we get the move. So very interesting. As you can see, the spreads have already widened. They're about 4-5 pips already as we're coming into the NFP event. Got the news up here. We're waiting and let's see what actually happens. So we've got that push to the upside. There we go. We're in the cells. We're going to TP at 75. Let's see what we can do on this account. As you see, price is pushing up. We're down around 10%, but it isn't anything to worry about. Obviously, we can't enter more positions because of the account size. As you see, price is rallying. It actually came out the same as the previous, so there pretty much was no change in the NFP. So because of the news this week as well, the NFP actually did rise by 428k versus the forecasted 391k. So we're just going to leave the phone here and see if we can actually make some profit. There we are, we're in profit already. Let's see if we can get that drop now. A lot of times that first move is actually the fake out. So as you guys can see, we're running in profit. £8, £10, £12. I might go to shop and get a meal deal now. It's a free meal deal. Hopefully we can get that drop down now to like 75. Be interesting to see what actually happens. We're getting all the notifications on the Twitter now for the news event that's actually just released. I remember last time I actually did the NFP video, we made around £30. So we're going to try and beat that. So as you see, we're around £10 in profit. Now the thing is with this account, if it all loses, I don't really care, and I'll probably still post the video. But hopefully we can obviously make profit. We're going back into drawdown again now. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're just going to leave the phone there and see what happens with this NFP. Not really much movement on gold compared to usual. Back into drawdown, not great. I am still expecting gold to drop, you know, especially down to this level here, you know, like the 76 area. You know, this whole week we've kind of created this, you know, this push up. We stalled at this area, massive drop down. You know, that drop there was around, you know, 400 pips, and it took, you know, 4th of May, it took a whole day, you know, pretty much 2 days to actually get up there, and within 3 hours the move had pretty much already been corrected. So that's why I do expect maybe it can continue to the downside. But yeah, we're in drawdown, nothing to worry about. Been there before with a lot more drawdown. You know, it's only a £150 account. It's been pretty slow compared to normal NFP. Okay, so the first 5-minute closure after the NFP, you know, we've got that bullish push up, which could be good for us because you see here we've had this area. Obviously people were going to sell before NFP, price goes up, stops them out, and then, you know, obviously I'm not saying it stops out the retail traders because banks don't really care about retail traders. You know, they only take up around 5% of the Forex markets, so it's more just creating that push up. We had that positive news for the dollar, so then we're going to do this, hopefully. Still have this area up here which we could actually trade from, so it will be interesting to see what actually happens on this trade. Did get in a bit early, but you know, it is what it is. It's just a bit of a fun account. Don't really care if I lose it, so we just went all in, entered straight away. Okay guys, so I don't really want to be staring at the charts whilst it's just eating up our balance. So catch up with you guys if we get any more movement coming into the New York session. Okay guys, so as you can see on the chart and the screen recording, we don't lose. We're up £25, £26, £27, £30. You know, if you look on the 15, boom, look at that entry, gold melt. Told you guys it would melt. £30, let's go. That is 20% of the account made on the NFP. Hopefully now we can get, you know, that further melt down to that 75 level. But as you see on the chart on my trading view, this level here currently acting as an area where we're struggling to break. So if we're actually looking further downside, I would want to see a nice clean break of that area, you know, especially coming into New York session. You know, we're kind of bouncing off this sort of level again. So that is the area I want to break if we're to see further downside to that 75, 76 level. If I actually change my TP to 70, actually let's just leave it at 75. We're full sent on this trade now, so I'll catch up with you guys with any more updates on the NFP trade. Oh, as we're saying that, price is melting through the level, £33, let's go. So I'll catch up with you guys if we're nearing the TP level. Okay guys, as you can see, we've absolutely melted through that level now, approaching the area around 1876, but you know, you've got the key level 1875, so that's why we are actually targeting, you know, this level down here. I'm expecting price to just, you know, melt through that now. Absolutely melted. You know, we're up £45, almost £50 now. You know, we're getting that slight little pullback. If we had a higher account balance and we weren't using up all the free margin, we could, you know, enter again, but that wouldn't be very wise. The account would probably blow. You know, we already got margin called, but you know, it's a flip account. I don't care about losing it, so I just went all in. Max lot I could actually use was a 0.1, so we're in there now. You know, the account's almost at £200 already, so absolutely beautiful. If we hit the TP, catch up with you guys. Here we go guys. So the alert has actually gone off. We've tapped into this next level now. As you can see, we're up around £63 on the account, £64. Oh my god, we are rich. So I'm actually, the next video we're probably going to go to a car dealership, maybe get a Lamborghini or McLaren. But that's if we actually hit this 75 level. As you see, melting, bouncing off this level we've got marked here though, which isn't great, but that is also a good sign. That is not good. I'm only playing with you guys. This is amazing. Look at that absolute melt. If you look on the phone now, on the 15-minute, the entry looks good. The 5-minute, the entry looks terrible. So we're just going to keep it on the 15, so that makes me look like a better trader. But look at that entry. It's not actually too bad. We did have around 40 pips of drawdown, but that's all part of trading, And we're going into the level again now, up around £64. This style of trading is actually quite fun. £69, £70, £73. Oh my god, we've just annihilated NFP. We're actually rich. £72. Are we going to hit the TP? 10 more pips to the TP. Can we hit it live for the YouTube? Oh, and we've bounced off the level again. Jesus, this is stressful, Can you please stop rejecting the level? We're going to mark out the TP area. Oh, there we go. So that's the area we're actually looking for gold to target. Let's see what we can actually do now. As you can see, we were pretty much 10 pips away, which on gold isn't a large amount of pips. Let's go on the 1 minute, guys. We're proper NFP trading here. As you guys can see, if I'm embracing my inner SMC here, we've got some wicks, so that might mean like liquidity or something. If we look down here, we've got, actually I don't even know how to lie about this. Okay, here we've got this little double bottom which we got to take out. So the banks are now thinking that person with a £100 account has got into a sell here, so they're going to put them into profit and then go and stop them out, true SMC style. If we go back to the 15, doesn't look great either. Back to the 5, that's a bit better. Not really any time frames looking in our favor at the moment. I've probably lost about 10 years of my life expectancy on this trade. So what we're going to do, guys, now is to relieve the stress of actually trading, we're going to eat a Ferrero Rocher, a true trader's snack. Going to get this one down. Oh god. Here we go, guys. Here it is. There we go. TP annihilated. £84 profit. That's over 50% gain on the account. The account's now £239. As you see there, we've got the £84 profit. And look at the trading view. We've actually just bounced off that level 2. Absolutely perfect. Little NFP scalp on an account where, doesn't really matter if it blows. It's just a bit of fun money. If you guys did enjoy a little bit of live trading, you guys always ask for it. Be sure to like the video, and I'll catch you guys next time.